If you've been busting your butt in the gym, but still feel weak, tired, or watch your muscles disappear as you age, you need to hear this. What if I told you there's a scientifically optimized amino acid formula that could literally change how your body builds and preserves muscle, even when dieting or getting older, and it's not what you think? Stay with me, because this might be the missing puzzle piece you've been searching for. Most people think muscle growth is all about protein shakes and endless workouts. But here's the truth. Your body can only use the amino acids you actually absorb. Whey protein? Research shows much of it gets turned into sugar instead of muscle-building fuel. And typical BCAA supplements only give you 3 amino acids, not enough for full muscle repair. That's why so many struggle with slow recovery, soft gains, feeling drained, muscle loss as they age. Now imagine flipping that around. There's one formula, backed by science and user results, that gives your body all 8 essential amino acids in the perfect ratio, so your cells can actually build muscle, not waste it. People are calling it the ultimate muscle preservation system, their secret for faster recovery, the difference between plateauing and breaking through. Introducing the Advanced Amino Formula, a complete optimized essential amino acid blend designed to build new and stronger muscle, even if you're past your 30s. Supercharge recovery so you bounce back faster after workouts. Boost energy and stamina without stimulants. Support lean mass while dieting, no extra calories. And unlike standard proteins or BCAAs, this formula gives your body the exact building blocks for protein synthesis with minimal waste, which means every scoop goes where it matters most, your muscles. If you're frustrated watching your body degrade over time, if you're tired of sore muscles, slow gains, or feeling beat down despite working out, this isn't just another supplement. It's strategic nutritional support that fills the gap most people never even knew existed. And guess what? Folks are reporting noticeable changes within weeks, better recovery, more energy, even improved body composition. If you want to check your results, reviews, pricing options, and get this exact formula from the official site with money-back guarantee, click the link in the description right now. Your body is begging for the fuel it actually needs. Don't just work harder, work smarter. Click now to unlock the official Advanced Amino Formula page.